It's Mike Sweeney with SweeneyMarketingGroup.com, and in today's video we are going to discuss home business for seniors. I get a lot of questions about home business, and for the senior age group, age range in particular, and I'm not far off from that myself. I'm a year and a few months shy of 60 myself, so I understand the reasons why seniors are looking into the home business place online here. There's always the fear of Social Security. There's the fear of just not having enough in your retirement savings, outliving your money, health, if something happens to health, and some of these reasons can happen to anybody at any time, regardless of what age you are, but particularly when you start getting into the years where you're looking to, have the income saved so that you can live a life that is still enjoyable, where it's not stressful, where you have to fear about if your pension changes by $50 a month, or Social Security, goes away. What's going to happen? Where are you going to get extra? How are you going to be able to live? How are you going to be able to pay your bills? Are you going to have to sell your house, or move to something smaller, something like that? I completely understand that, and you see a lot of people coming into the home business place. As a matter of fact, I just spoke to a gentleman the other night who was 86, and I know of one in a group that I'm working with who's 82 and doing a home business. He looked at this business and liked the amount to get involved with it. It was under $100 to get in, $100 a month to get involved with it. I think it's $50 a month actually to be involved in the business. And the nice thing about it, and I'm going to touch on this soon, is the $50 a month provided marketing tools for him. So that's an ideal home business there for anybody. Even if you're, forget being a senior, that's ideal for anybody at $50 a month to get marketing tools and products that you can be selling and earning commissions on. But if you'd like more information on that particular business, my contact details are below in the description area of this video. Reach out to me and I will get you some information about what he's doing and how that's working. So down below, like I said, in the description area, our contact information, where you'll find me. Reach out and I'll get that information out to you. But getting back to the point of, marketing your home business online, the marketing tools that you need and the ones that were provided for him were email marketing, like an autoresponder where you can follow up with people online. There's a web conference room that's provided for it so that you can use it in a number of ways. One would be to meet with people online so that you could do face-to-face, just like this right here. But it would be in a live setting, of course, where you would have video access, where you could speak and you'd be on video, where you could talk to people about selling a product to them or a service. You could talk to people, if it was in a network marketing business, about becoming a business owner themselves. Or you could just use the conference room for training, for creating videos, for marketing, or for selling your products or service. So those were two of the tools that he had. Oh, and the third one was a lead capture system, which basically is a way for you to have a page online where you would send people to opt in, to give you a name, email, possibly a phone number that would have interest in, number one, a product that you have or a service, or number two, a business opportunity that they would like to get involved with you, so that you could be working together in business. And that goes into network marketing. And the nice thing about network marketing is leveraging time, because not only are you using your time to build your business, but you're leveraging other people's time while they're building their business, and you're getting paid on your work, and you're getting paid on a percentage of the work that they're doing for their own business as well. So that leveraging factor is very, very important when it comes to passive income, because it's work that not only are you doing and you're getting paid month after month for the people that are buying the product or using the business as a business, but you're also earning off of their efforts as well. So it's kind of similar to if you think of insurance, how insurance agents sell a policy and they get recurring income every time the policies are renewed. Same concept, just in a different business model. So those three tools alone for $50 a month are well worth it, because each one that you would need to do an online business anyhow are going to run you at least 25 to 50, upwards to a couple $100 a month for each one of those tools. So you're probably looking at, say, $200 to $300 in marketing tools there that they're getting for $50 a month. I mean, it's an incredible, it's an awesome deal, actually. As a matter of fact, I'm using those marketing tools myself, because you can sell them as a product, or the service. You can sell those as to other people looking to do marketing online. You can sell those products and services to business owners, to marketers. That's actually the business model right there. I mean, it's selling those products. And there's some other products that are involved with it. But from a business aspect, that's definitely one that I would look at, because, well, there's a lot of things that are involved that he has in place that the company that he's representing, it's really interesting, because they're doing, not only are they giving him the tools, but the company is doing advertising to generate leads for the business owners, and they offer the leads back to the business owners, where you would pay them for the leads, so that you're not having to be an expert in Facebook advertising or in CPA, cost per acquisition advertising, and what that is they have traffic running to offer pages where people are either looking for a particular product or a business opportunity, and they are getting the names and emails and phone numbers and cases of the people and giving them back to you at a low cost, so that you can contact these people, so that you're not having to learn and pay for this yourself. I mean, you can do this at a fraction of the cost, a fraction of the time. Not to say that it's not a good idea to still learn how to do it, but they've got a system in place where not only are they giving you the products and the services, but they're also doing the advertising for you and then offering it back to you at a membership cost price, at a reduced membership cost and price. I mean, it's actually really, it's a good program that's going on there. And again, my contact information is below. If you are seriously looking for a home business opportunity, that is one that I would surely want you to look at. And in doing so, with that, or with any I'm talking any home business, you're going to want some small advertising budget, and ideally an advertising budget should be within $150, $300 a month if you could swing that. More if possible, but I mean, you could get by with 50 with this company. You could get by with as little as starting with $50 a month or something like that to get into their lead program. But ideally, you would want to have more if you have it. I mean, if you can afford it, if it's in your budget, because you'd want to sit down and look at, okay, at $50 a month, if you're getting, say, a 50% commission on it. So that's for every sale that you make, you'd get $25. Okay, so now if you're going to invest, let's say, for numbers' sake, $200 a month in advertising. So you have $50 a month for your business and $200 a month for advertising. That's $250 a month. How many sales do you need a month to make up for that $250? Obviously, you need 2 sales to pay for the $50. Okay, so then you would need 200 divided by 25, about another 8 sales to pay for that $200. So you would need you would need 10 sales to pay for that $250 recurring expense for your business, because now your business is self-sustaining. It's paying for itself. When you get to a point where you're generating income at $250, you're basically covering your expenses. So there's no profit yet, but if it took you 2-3 months to make $250 a month, I mean, you would be spending $200 a month for 3 months, or $250 a month for 3 months. So that's $750. And if it took you the 3 months to get to a $250 income, from the 4th month on, you'd be basically covering your business expenses, and then you could not only have your income that you're generating for the business, but you could continue to invest a little bit of your own money and scale the business at a faster, quicker rate. So you'd go from obviously $250 a month to $500 a month at a faster rate than it took you to get to the $250 a month income. I hope that kind of explains some things that you would want to look at for a home business. Is the expense of advertising and the expense of being involved in the business itself, and how many sales will it take you to get into a profit, or at least to a self-sustaining business where the income that you're making from the business is paying for the business, and then from there scale and get the profit, so that any additional profit from that point is coming into your pocket and staying there. But yeah, you'd want to look at marketing tools, what the cost of those marketing tools are, because as I said, for email marketing, for lead capture system, and web conferencing. Those three alone would probably run, if you were to purchase those outside of your business from other vendors, providers of those services, anywhere from 50. You could probably start out at $25 a month for some of those, but as your business grows and you get more people subscribing to your capture pages and generating more leads, the cost of emailing those leads would go up, because it's paid on a prescriber basis. So as you get more subscribers, obviously the cost of sending out those emails increases. So the cost of those tools generally are going to run 25 to, I don't know, 100, 200, some as much as $300 a month. Okay, and if he's getting them for $50 a month, it's a great deal, and that's the nice thing about the product. It's got there's value to the product for market, and it's also priced very, very competitively, so that they can go in and really make a name for themselves, because it's low priced and it still carries the same amount of value that people are using already today. So you want more information on that, contact me, and we'll set up a time where I can get you the information that he's provided, and you can decide for yourself if it's something that fits your budget, fits your need. But again, look at what you can use for investment and what it's going to take based upon what you'll make off the sale of your product, your service, and how many of those that you're going to need to make to cover your business expense. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please like and share the video. I would appreciate it. And there's a subscribe button right down below, a little red button down there someplace under this, right under this video, where if you subscribe to that, you'll get future videos that I'll put out for marketing, online, home businesses, and things like that. So hope you enjoyed it. Again, like and share the video, and we'll be back with some more real soon. Have a good day.